Hello, real estate innovators. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into brand management for a hypothetical company, Haven Realty Solutions. The aim? Tackle some of the industry's biggest ethical and cultural challenges while building a powerful brand. Using prompts from AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3, guided by ChatGPT, we'll reveal exactly how Haven Realty Solutions defines its identity, researches the market, crafts a robust rollout, and anticipates challenges along the way. Let's get started. The real estate industry is under pressure to address allegations of misconduct and a culture that leaves certain groups feeling vulnerable, especially women. Haven Realty Solutions wants to be the brand that leads the charge towards safer, more equitable real estate dealings. So, how do they do it? Let's take a look at the steps. First, ChatGPT prompts us to define your brand by stating a clear and consistent brand identity. Here's what Haven Realty Solutions came up with. Brand identity. We stand for integrity, inclusivity, and innovation, creating a safe and thriving community for clients and professionals alike. Message. Our mission is to redefine the real estate industry by fostering trust, safety, and inclusivity, ensuring everyone feels valued and supported. It's a bold stance, aligning perfectly with the high ethical standards this brand wants to embody. Next, ChatGPT says, conduct market research, list your target audience demographics, key competitors, and industry trends. We discover target audience, ages 25 to 55, middle to upper middle income, seeking ethical, transparent real estate solutions. Competitors, large agencies like RE/MAX, niche ethical realtors, and tech-driven platforms like Zillow. Industry trends, a push for sustainability, inclusive branding, AI-driven services, and corporate social responsibility. These insights guide Haven Realty Solutions to position itself as an ethics-first, AI-savvy brand, ready to meet modern buyer expectations. Now, create a brand plan that outlines positioning, message strategy, and communication strategies. Haven Realty Solutions positions itself as the ethical and inclusive leader in real estate. Core messages revolve around trust, equity, and community building. Communication targets multiple channels: social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook for client stories, educational posts, and industry updates. PR efforts, highlighting ethical initiatives to media and influencers. Community outreach, sponsoring local events, hosting workshops on safety and equity, email marketing. Personalized property suggestions plus updates on Haven Realty's initiatives. This multi-channel approach cements the brand's stance on integrity and inclusivity, ensuring potential clients see consistent messaging everywhere. After that, ChatGPT gives us step-by-step instructions for rolling out the brand across all touchpoints. Haven Realty focuses on website, integrates interactive property maps, real-time chat support, and inclusive imagery. Social platforms, daily posts, plus live Q&As, weekly features on employees or customers who champion ethical real estate. Advertising, partnerships with Google Ads, local newspapers, and niche magazines highlighting diversity in real estate. Customer interactions, 24/7 chatbot for inquiries, post-sale follow-ups to gather feedback, and e-newsletters for continued engagement. Every touchpoint reiterates the brand's ethics-first narrative. Finally, ChatGPT prompts us for a pre-mortem analysis. Play devil's advocate. What adjustments are needed? Potential challenges include reputation risks. Failing to live up to ethical claims could trigger backlash. Stakeholder resistance. Competitors or even internal staff might resist big cultural shifts. Resource strain. Implementing robust compliance and safety programs might stretch finances. Balanced messaging. Must also show profitability and convenience, so we don't alienate more traditional clients. Haven Realty Solutions addresses these with a compliance team, phased rollouts, balanced messaging, and a crisis management plan. It's all about staying proactive, not reactive. And there you have it, brand management for Haven Realty Solutions, a real estate company aiming to transform an industry grappling with serious cultural issues. By defining a clear identity, researching the market, crafting a comprehensive brand plan, rolling out across all channels, and anticipating potential pitfalls, Haven Realty sets itself up to be the go-to choice for anyone seeking safety, equity, and ethical practices in real estate. If you found this breakdown helpful, like and subscribe for more AI-driven strategies. And be sure to check out AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3 to see the exact prompts that powered this transformation.